Χελιδόνια. Θα έρθω μια νύχτα για να σε δω, να στο φωνάξω που σ' αγαπώ, και αν τότε βγεις στο παραθύρι σου, βιολιά θα παίξουν για το χατήρι σου και τα πουλιά θα κελαϊδούν την ομορφιά σου. My favorite animal is the wolf, because he's one of the last proud creatures on earth, because of his eyes, because of his appearance, his strength, his sincerity. I was born with everything that breathes. There are things we give us life and things that take life away. I respect every animal, every flower, every child. I see in its eyes the whole world. Unfortunately, our life is not only smile, it's also sorrow, it's also bitterness. Nicholas Argyropoulos. I born in Kavala. Parents they came from the Greek parts of Turkey, Marmara. I stayed for a couple of years in Athens. It happened something that cut it my life. I lost my father and one of my children in a month. So I didn't want anymore to stay in Athens. I didn't want to see things they loved, things they lived. And afterwards I came here in Limenari and I'm living here with my family. I studied in Italy, but I didn't want to work like in things like bank or state. Or I wanted to be free. I wanted to feel the snow, to feel the sea, to feel. So I became a fisherman. I like profession. I cultivate olive trees. I had domestic animals. I didn't want to work to a bank, for example, and wait for my pension. I hate people that are 18 years old or 20 years old. And they say, did you think about your future and when you get old? And they are only 18 years old and 20 years old. What's future? I didn't have the logic in my life. I had the philosophy of thinking today we exist, and we don't know if we still live in the afternoon.
Πού να βρω λόγια να τραγουδήσω, τα δυο σου μάτια σαν θα αντικρίσω. Στον ουρανό θα πλώσω τα χέρια και θα του κλέψω όλα τα αστέρια για να στολίσω αγάπη μου την αγκαλιά σου.
Father was singing. He was a very good singer. I heard a song of Marcos Vamvakaris. He was the best. He was the greatest. He was huge in rebetiko. His voice, his way of playing bouzouki, it was something that moved me, that touched me too much. And I started with bouzouki when I was 21 years old. About 40 years ago, something like that. Rebetiko is music that people from the Greek courts of Middle Asia brought to Greece after the massacre of Smyrna. We come from those people. Another philosophy, another way of playing and singing. That's why most songs talk about the beauty of the woman, about the character of the women, and about motherhood, about countries they had to forget. It was a very difficult situation. I think that I loved women since I started understanding and living. It means in my whole life. When I was a child, when I was afterwards, when I grew up, when I was young, when I was married. And fortunately, in the same time, I wanted to have kids, and at the same time be free to go with the woman I like, with a woman. She smiled to me, or she understood me, or she was listening to my music. Or one woman I was seeing passing by with a bus full of people. Once I saw one at her window, and I was I was in love with her. Just for that time, just for that day, I was thinking of her. I didn't try to find her or to talk with her. I say many times about my songs that I don't think I wrote them because they came to me. I was just waiting to be able to write a song, and it came. Sometimes it comes with the music, sometimes it comes alone, sometimes only the music, sometimes only the lyrics.
Θα έρθει ο ήλιος και το σκοτάδι φεύγει για πάντα αυτό το βράδυ. Τα δυο γλυκά σου χείλη αν μου χαρίσουν ένα χαμόγελο, λουλούδια θα ανθίσουν και στην καρδιά θα έρθουν ξανά τα χιλιδόνια. In many songs we say that life is a lie. Life is a dream. And I feel the same. And I find life in everything. Even if I go hunting, even if I go fishing. music has no limits and no frontiers.
And my heart many times is music, many times is sea, open sea.
It's open. I don't know if I live tomorrow. That's my life, that's all.